Hi. Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. It's Dione Irwin here with Dione & Co. Real Estate Group at the Real Estate District. And it's been a little while since I've been live. I'm happy to come and give you guys a tour of this gorgeous house. How was your Christmas? Hopefully you all had a great Christmas and you're ready for a great 2026. Looking forward to the new year and all the exciting things that are going to happen. So I am at this amazing property in Crossfield today. It is a fully developed bungalow and just check it out. We've got so many upgrades here. It's back. I'm looking out right now onto this beautiful park. It's got a playground. It's got a skating rink. It's got like a fire pit area. It's such a great community park. And I think they're getting ready for, looks like there's people out there. They're probably gonna have skating, especially right now over the holidays. So I know that it's great winter, summer, all year round, the park behind. And Crossfield is only 15 minutes from Airdrie, maybe like 20 minutes to Calgary. It's pretty close. And it's really growing. There's great new communities here, and it's a great place to raise your kids or retire or whatever you want to do. It's just, it's very affordable, and it's sort of like not a hidden gem. A lot of people are moving out to Crossfield now. So maybe it's your turn to move out here after you see this home. I think you're going to love it. Okay, just one sec. Sorry about that. Okay, so we're in I just have to check one thing. I'll be right back, I'm sorry. So this is a McKee built home. It is built in 2021, but when you walk in here, you're gonna think it was built in 2025. It is like brand new. It feels like a show home. We just had it staged. I love it. Can't wait to show you guys the staging. And it feels like a show home, honestly. We've got, I think the ceilings they're 9 foot, but they feel like 10 foot. It's one of those bungalows that feels like really high ceilings. So it's 9 foot ceilings. We have an oversized heated tandem. It's like an oversized double or triple tandem. Beautiful street. I'm gonna put my shoes on and show you guys the front of the house because it's also really pretty. We've got a nice front step here that you could sit at. Hey guys, good morning. How's it going? Isn't it a gorgeous day today? It's so gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna show you the street. So, such a quiet street over here. 141 Amery Crescent is where we are. So it's got gem lights, as you can see. Really pretty color. That soft green is so nice. I've painted a few of my houses that color, so of course I have a soft spot for it. For an extra wide driveway, and you could fit a big like F-350 on here. And it's got, they put a lot of money on the exterior as well. So really beautiful stonework. They have a little area to put your recycling bins, which is so nice. They've thought of everything with this house. They thought of it, not Dave. They thought of everything with this house. Some really neat landscaping that you can't see right now, but like there's this giant rock, some trees and shrubs all along here. It's just so much snow right now. Concrete steps, which is also really nice. And then they've got let's go back there because it's so nice. I'll show you the backyard. So they have concrete all the way back here. They've got, I think they did the quick curb. Was that a different house? Anyway, this is all fully landscaped. Here's the sunroom in the back. It's professionally done, everything. They've got the Duradeck. So we have outside deck area, a covered area, and this beautiful park. Check out this park. We have a playground, skating rink. There's a fire pit area. You can't see it right. No, it's right there. That big fire pit. And it's just a really nice community spot. So there you go. Really cool landscaping. They got some nice rocks all the way along here. Okay, let's go see the inside now. There's so much to show. Peter's in there. So, yeah. Oh, actually, no, Peter's right there. So we'll go in and show you the inside. Okay. What are you guys doing for New Year's? I know what you're doing, Kara. Okay, sorry, I'll flip this around so you can see what it looks like when you come in the door. So you come in, and we've got a nice little entry area with area for a little table. You could put a bench over here if you wanted. It's a walk-in closet for your coats. Got a nice laminate flooring here, kind of that beachy feel. Okay, I'll give you a little teaser, but we're gonna go here first. So here's your mudroom area. Got room for a bench, hooks, whatever you wanna do. Another closet. And this garage is a major feature. We gotta feature the garage. First of all, it's very clean. We've got central vac right here, so you can clean your cars. And it's heated, and it's very high ceilings, extra lighting. So if you want a workshop, this is perfect. You can have your workshop right here, so we've got the 2 taps. There's the extra voltage for the plugs. So yeah, lots of extra lighting. So if you're a car person, or if you want to do, have a shop that's lit up, this is perfect. Lots of storage up there too. So this house has a ton of storage. It is a very great layout. And let's get to it here. I know you guys are waiting. Okay. And I haven't seen the whole thing yet. So first of all, we have a nice big bedroom right here. Very large. That's a queen with 2 night tables. So it's a ton of space. And the main bath right here on the main floor. Tub, shower, everything. And then you have your main floor laundry room right here. So nice big laundry room. We've got drying racks already installed and lots of storage right there. Okay, this is such a beautiful dining and living and kitchen. So it's very open concept. Extra windows. We've got pot lights. It's so cozy in here. Stainless steel appliances, gas stove, lots of drawers for storage. Okay. And so here's our gas fireplace. I think the staging is beautiful. What do you guys think of the staging? Isn't it nice? They did a great job. Okay, and there is your sunroom. So there's a gas line as well if you want to put like a fire table. Days like today would be cozy and warm in there. They said they used to sit out there a lot of the winter on the warmer days. So anyway, what do you think so far? What do you guys think of it? I wonder if Megan's around. Did you see? Did you check? I think Jen did. Debbie must be busy too. They can catch the replay. Okay, here's the beautiful primary suite. This is a king bed, nightstands, got room for a dresser or whatever else. She has some cute little chairs. Oh my goodness. These window coverings, these curtains are very high end, custom done. And they also have blinds. So there's a bottom up, top down blinds, plus these beautiful, feels like a hotel. Okay, let's check out our ensuite. Double sinks, drawers, got a nice walk-in shower as well. And check out this walk-in closet. This is basically like another bedroom. You could do so much in here if you wanted to. They did put a fancy light in. You could do California closets or whatever you wanted to do. I think it would be amazing. Okay, now I haven't seen the basement yet. So we have 2 bedrooms up here. Oh, there's a walk-in pantry as well. But there's a ton of storage in the kitchen. So big pantry as well. Sorry, I didn't show you guys that. Okay. Hey, Shirley, thanks for joining. Jen and Kara and Lori. Hi, Deborah. Good to see you. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, everybody. I know, the closet is amazing, right? Okay, let's go downstairs. I haven't seen it yet. It's a really cool basement. So let's see, I'll flip this around. We can both look at it together for the first time. Okay, so here it is. Ooh, oh my goodness, it's so nice. Look at this wet bar. We've got the wet bar with the lighting in the cabinets, which is so nice. Big sink. We've got 2 fridges here. This could be a space. I think they used to have a microwave here, and there's a little hole you can put the plug in and behind. So you could do so many things, but I love what they did here. They put the games table. I know their daughter used to use this for her craft area. So if you have kids, it could be like the really great a craft station. And then we've got this amazing family room. That's space for, I forget, but they told me what size it is. 60-inch or something, or maybe bigger. That is a little space where they have their Xbox console. So if you have any console, it would fit there. So yeah, pretty cool. And the wood, that nice wood feature just brings that earthiness in again. Okay, so we've got pot lights. They did put a sound, like a barrier in the ceiling. And it's got dry core flooring, so it's not right on the concrete. So it does feel nice and warm here. What else can I tell you about this? Well, let's go look at, there's another bedroom down here too. And what do you guys think of this basement? Wouldn't you love to hang out down here? It would be so cool to hang out down here and just entertain or just hang out with your family, you know? Okay, now here is the basement bedroom. So this is massive bedroom. It could be, I don't know what, maybe teenager, or it's just a great size. It's huge. So we've got, I think this is a queen. Anyway, you could fit a king, whatever, down here. It's huge. Sitting area, could have a desk, anything you want. Huge closet with the organizers. And this mattress kind of, okay, I'll have to, anyway, so I'm just talking to myself here a little bit. Okay, and then we've got this really big bathroom. So check out the bathroom, lots of storage, more storage here, oversized walk-in shower, same tile as they have on the wet bar. Okay, I need to show you how much storage there is. A lot of people like to move, like in the smaller towns like Crossfield and Carstairs. A lot of people, I find, move from farms to a bungalow in the smaller towns like Olds, Didsbury, Carstairs, Crossfield. So I think this home would be perfect for a lot of people, but it could be great for somebody that's moving from the farm into town. I know our dad did that, and he found a really nice bungalow in Carstairs, but Crossfield's even a little closer to Calgary. Okay, so we've got actually 3 hoses, one for the garage, one for the main, one for the basement, so you're not going to lug around your vacuum. High efficiency hot water tank, high efficiency furnace with AC, really nice central vac system. We've got our HRV air exchange system here. And then we have underground irrigation as well. And look at all the storage, you guys. Look at all the storage, okay? So much storage all the way around here. All your bins, all your things could be in here, and it would be very organized. Okay. So that's it. That is the whole tour of 141 Amery Crescent in Crossfield, the beautiful Crossfield, Alberta. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you the price. It's $714.9. So it's an amazing price for this. Oh, it's just a, hi Audrey. Hey, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. My friend, it's so good to see you. Thanks for popping in. So it's just under 1,400 square feet. That's what the last measurements were anyway. So Peter's here just measuring it right now, sorry. And so it's probably, I don't know, 2,700 maybe total, something like that. And it is a kind of house that you can just put your feet up. You can just move in and put your feet up because everything's done. Landscaping's done. It's very low maintenance landscaping. It's got the AC. It's got the sunroom. You can enjoy the inside and outside. And it's backing onto that beautiful park. So if you've been searching for a bungalow and you haven't been able to find one, here it is right here. So if you want to see it, make sure you message me today. We can get you in here anytime. It is ready for people to come and look. And if you know somebody looking, make sure you tag them in this video, or you can share them or give them my info. If you don't have a realtor, we're happy to help you. If you do have a realtor, make sure you get them to message me so we can get you in here. It's a New Year's special. Start the new year off in this gorgeous home. Okay? So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you have a safe and happy New Year's Eve tomorrow. And it's been nice to hang out with you. I missed you guys. And we will hopefully see you soon. Okay, bye from Dione.